Did you know students with internship experience are twice as likely to get hired after graduation? Internships are not just nice to have, they're a shortcut to standing out. In this video, we are following the internship journey from signing up on Excelerate to earning your certificates. Let's go. Why internships matter. Over 70% of employers say internships are the best way to find future hires. That tells you everything you need to know. And that's exactly what Excelerate offers. Practical work experience and in-demand skills. From tech and marketing to business and design, there's something for everyone. And the best part, it's super easy to go from signing up to getting certified. Here is how. Step 1. Sign up. Getting started takes just a few minutes. Go to the Excelerate website and hit the register now or get started button. Fill in your name, email, nationality, and you're in. Easy. Once you've signed up, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Create your profile. Your profile is like your personal billboard. Inside your dashboard, click the complete profile button and enter your education, interest, and any experience. Don't worry if you don't have much experience yet. Just be open about your interests and we'll take it from there. Step 3. Find and apply for internships. Now comes the fun part, and that is exploring internships. Filter the available opportunities by your interests and skills. Then click apply on the ones that excite you. Step 4. Get matched and start working. Once selected, you'll receive a welcome email. And just like that, you start to work on projects, gain practical experience, and even get paired with a mentor to guide you. Step 5. Your certificate. At the end of your internship, you'll receive a digital certificate. This isn't just a piece of paper, it's proof of your growth. You can add it to your resume, LinkedIn, or portfolio to show employers what you're made of. Thousands of students have landed their dream jobs after completing Excelerate internships. So why not you? Got an opportunity that excites you? All you need is a willingness to learn, and you'll walk away with high demand skills that make you unforgettable in every interview. So what are you waiting for? The best opportunities are just a click away. Visit 4accelerate.org to sign up for an internship today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. And I'll see you at your dream internship.